nagbukas ng sugat sa mukha ni Antonio Meza.
Ang gaya na sinabi ko kanina, no, under WBO or international rules, wala pong automatic point deduction kung accidental headbutt. Iba kasi yung rule dito sa games and minister sport. So we are following WBO rules. Kanya walang deduction si Ray Boom Boom Bautista for that accidental headbutt. Ito makikita po natin, punches thrown and punches landed. And mas maraming punches thrown si Meza, ha? Pero mas magandang accuracy ni Boom Boom Bautista.
Ray Boom Boom Bautista, ayun, mas siguro itong mga bitaw niya dito kay Antonio Meza.
Now, let's also check kung yung flow of blood na-stem ng cornerman ni Antonio Meza. Working his corner, of course, is the former IBF minimum weight champion Edgar Cardenas. Tuntun
Si
ang tawag
Tuntun,
sa kanya.
Cardenas. Marami pa nakakaalala rin sa boxingerong yan, ha?
Oo.
Nasa corner po nitong Mexican contingent na tumungo dito. Again, nasa gitna po dito, palitan na suntok.
Some power shots, bombs being thrown sa loob ng ring, and not just by Boom Boom but also by Barrio Meza.
Yes, by Meza. Right now, ito si Boom Boom looking for the opening. Yung duck dito ni Boom Boom. Ayun, nagkadikita naman sila dito.
At sumusuntok dito si Meza, hindi si Boom Boom, ha?
Yes, uppercut mula dito kay Meza.
Boom Boom looking for the opening, and then he unloads.
Nagko-conserve na rin ang mga binibitawan si Boom Boom dito. And you can see, binababa dito ni Boom Boom, yung kanyang guard doon, Kinito. May kapaguran na rin kaya para kay Boom Boom dito?
Parang ano, either that or parang iniimbita niya si Meza na pumasok.
Pumasok, oo.
Para mag-counter siya. Boom Boom Bautista, only 21 years old. He signed to a 3-year contract by Golden Boy Promotions.
Mukhang imbitasyon eh. Mukhang imbitasyon Kinito eh. Pinapalapit niya ito si Meza eh.
Ako, feeling natin, Boom Boom is looking for an impressive knockout. He's looking for one solid shot. And I think he's veering away from the fight plan. Dapat being patient, kagaya ng ginawa ni AJ Banal kanina, no? He showed a lot of patience. Methodical ang kanyang pag-aatake until the opening presented itself. And then he took advantage. 9th round stoppage. Scored by Banal over Giovanni Soto. Mukhang na-stem yung flow of blood, huh? I don't see too much blood coming out of that.
Give it up.
Oh,
Teka,
sunod-sunod yun. Punches below the belt.
ito si referee Bruce McTavish calling for time dito, ha?
Na mabibigyan ng warning si Boom Boom, either a warning or maybe even a point deduction. But under international rules, you will be deducted a point after 3 warnings. 3 warnings. Also under international rules, you're given as much as 5 minutes to recover from a low blow. But usually the fighters don't take 5 minutes. Masyadong mahaba kasi 5 minutes.
Alam mo naman, protektado rin naman talaga ng toto yung lower portion ng katawan natin eh. Nakatawan ng mga boksingero.
A very tough round to call. I would have to give that round to Meza. I would give that round to Meza because yung work rate ni Boom Boom biglang bumaba. I thought he was conserving his energy.
Bueno mga kaibigan, balik action tayo dito, Kinito, ha? Ito, binigay mo itong round na ito kay Meza.
Yes, I would think so, no? Because unang-una yung mga, tignan mo, no? Yung mga banat ni Boom Boom are being parried. Maganda yung depensa ni Meza, and then on the other hand, siyang nagka-comeback. Tapos nag-low blow nga si Bautista ron, nakita-kita natin.
So doon napatras
si Meza.
Si Meza.
I thought Meza did a good job.